Let's learn how you can fix Airdrop not working on iPhone. So first thing you want to check is go to settings and then click on Bluetooth. Now you want to turn it off and wait for a few seconds and then turn it again on. Then go back, go to general and then scroll a bit down, click on this Airdrop option and select everyone for 10 minutes option. Also, you can select these two options, bring device together and use mobile data. Also, you can check if you have stable internet connection and if you're connected to internet. If it doesn't work, you can try the same method with Bluetooth. So turn off the Wi-Fi for a few seconds and then turn it again on. Then go back to settings page, scroll down until you find screen time option, go there, scroll down again and find this content and privacy restrictions. Click here, it will open a new page. You want to click on this allowed apps and features. And as you can see, you should find airdrop option also here. If you have this disabled, for example, like this, you want to click on it and enable it. Now you want to repeat the process on the other device you want to share airdrop with. If it still doesn't work, restart both devices and try again this. It should work now. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.